Hello and welcome to the Handyman's World, the right place for quick and easy fixes. Today we're dealing with no coffee comes out. So let's stop talking and start working. Alright, let me show you a problem that happened to me just now after the machine sat unused for a little while. No coffee comes out. You can hear the pump struggling because it can't push the coffee through the filter holder. As you can see, it's full of water, which means the filter holder is completely clogged. Let's see how to fix it. First of all, let's make sure the water is flowing properly, which it is in this case. The reason the coffee isn't coming out is because the filter holder is completely clogged. So we need to take it apart. It comes apart in this direction. See this seam right here? We basically need to separate this inner piece from the outer housing. So how do we remove it? The only method I've found is to use a metal support like this. Place it on top, then tap it like this, until this inner piece starts coming out. Since it can hurt your hand, I'm going to protect it first. There we go, almost there. Alright, now let's clean it. Then we'll put it back together by simply pressing it back into place. First of all, just rinse it with water. Don't use any detergent. Make sure to hold it up to the light and then check that every tiny hole is open. If a few are still clogged, I place it over the stove burner to burn away the coffee that's blocking the few last holes. See? Little by little, it's all clearing out. Alright guys, now all the holes are open. Let's cool the part down. I don't know if it shows up well on camera, but all the holes are now clear. Let's also check that the hole in the filter holder is open using a needle. Yep, I can feel the tip of the needle coming through. Perfect, the center hole is clear. Same thing for these holes right here. Now we simply press it back into place. Perfect, it's fully seated now, and I don't think it's going anywhere. Let's do a quick test using only water. Let's make sure it works. Alright, the machine is working. Now let's test it without coffee. The water is flowing, that's a good news, so now let's make ourselves a coffee. So good. The coffee is flowing again. So if you ever run into the same problem, now you know how to fix it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.